Look at the electrical service connection to the house. Find out if it is an overhead or underground connection. If the connection is overhead, visually inspect to see that the connection is securely fastened to the house. Ensure that there are no trees overhanging the wires in any way. Check to see that the wires are in good condition and that the insulation and wires look somewhat new and have no metal showing. If the house's utilities are underground, access is limited to the local utility company, which will maintain them. Problems are rare concerning underground power lines. Look at the service panel located on the outside of the home. Check to see if you have breakers or fuses. If a fuse panel is discovered, then it needs to be replaced with a modern breaker panel. Check to see the size of the main breaker. The size is printed on the main breaker switch, usually the largest in the panel. On a medium-sized home, a 100 amp main breaker is adequate. You may see 125 or 200 amp breakers depending on the size of the home. A medium-sized home using a breaker smaller than 100 amps will probably not have enough capacity to meet the electricity demands of a 21st century lifestyle. A new larger service panel will need to be installed. New breaker panels cost $1,000 to $2,000. This change should be implemented promptly to ensure safety in the home. Over time, the residential electrical code has improved, adding safety measures to residential wiring. The ground wire was added to the existing hot and neutral. You can recognize this feature with its distinctive 3-hole outlet. This allowed appliances, lights, and other devices to be grounded, which safely completes the circuit. Many older homes do not have this safety feature, which should be upgraded to conform to modern safety and building codes. A great safety feature that was incorporated after 1973 was the use of GFCI, or ground fault circuit interrupter circuits. These circuits monitor the current flowing to and from the outlet. If the current flow differs by a very small amount, the GFCI instantly interrupts the current flow, preventing electric shock to the consumer. Generally, these outlets are installed in areas of the house that are prone to grounding issues with water, like in the bathrooms, outdoor outlets, or in the garage. Check to see if the bathrooms are outfitted with GFCI outlets. They can be found as a single GFCI outlet in one room of the house, or as a GFCI breaker in the main panel. If no GFCI circuits are installed in the house, this is a major concern that should be addressed by an electrical contractor in order to make the home a safer place in which to live.